We're back, and I'm going to give you a quick run through on how to upload this to YouTube. Of course, you need to create yourself a YouTube account in order to upload it. YouTube is my personal preference for doing these. That way the kids have availability to online, any computer, anywhere they want. So what happens here is now every time you hit the screen recorder here, you're required to enter a video. So if you notice down here, I have a how to upload.mov, and that's what we're actually recording. The last presentation I called presentation.mov, and it looked like this until I finished my presentation. Now it looks like a little movie. So the process I use to upload these movies to YouTube is I simply double click on the presentation or whatever movie I'm doing. So I'm going to double click on that. You wait for it to open up. It's actually going to look like your Active Inspire screen because that's where it was recorded. And it pops up here. And I got the sound recorder and all that stuff in here as well for this particular presentation. So I'm in here and I have the option to hit play. So we're going to watch a movie of the movie here a little bit. So I do rehearse. Not rehearse. I do go through and watch the video to make sure the sound quality is okay. And different things of that nature. So I'm just simply listening here to make sure that's all there. Turn the volume up if need be. See what we got going on. So let's just fast forward a little bit here. It's going through all this stuff, following through. I'm not currently hearing the voice on my end. I'm not sure what you guys have on your end yet. We'll figure that out. But at any rate, I'm going to stop the video here. And I'm going to go to File and Share, and I'm going to share it with YouTube, and it gives me several options. I'm going to call it In-Service Presentation, In-Service Presentation, as you hear me pounding away on the keyboard. Description will be flipped classroom, and this is all your description. This is for your YouTube. Tags are flipped, and I always uncheck to make this movie personal, because personal movies can only be viewed from your account and other YouTube accounts that you authorize. So my students, I copied the link and put it on the e-board for them to view, so they don't actually go to my YouTube page. But anytime you copy a YouTube link and you open up a YouTube video, there's always tons of other YouTubes there for them to access. I don't care that they're viewing it, so I don't care that it's personal. That's completely your call. If you copy the link from a personal movie, it'll still work the same. Next, and I don't know, I've never actually read that, but I hit share anyway, and go through here, and these are all the movies I've already uploaded, so there's quite a few of them in there. And this is the time-consuming part. It says 8 minutes. It'll probably be a little quicker than that. If you have a YouTube account, you get a nice little email saying your video has successfully loaded. But I can go right into my YouTube now and see the progress of it. See, we're already down to 5 minutes, so it's going pretty quick. That one loading. So I'm trying to open up my YouTube account right now, and Google Chrome is working hard. So here it is, up to YouTube. Click on, I got myself a quick little link there on my bookmarks bar. Once YouTube opens up, so I got, I did a growth and decay video here. Notice I used a calculator in that video, 1440, 1345 on exponentials. I did an exponents video. And in fact, these two videos were the same video. I redid this one. I just didn't like what I did. It works, but I like doing this one better. So I went with this one. I posted that for the kids. But I put my reviews up here. We did a review for tests, so I went through the entire packet. So I don't need to sit there and answer the same questions 10 times with 12 different kids during class. So I said, guys, I got an answer key for you. Here it is. You got questions? Pull up the video. Look at whichever question you want. You don't need to sit through someone else's question and listen to my explanation while you're trying to do work. Pull them up as you need, fast forward through it as you need. The kicker here is you can only do 15-minute videos. That review, me talking, going through the process, took me the better part of 40 minutes. So I have a 14, a 9, and another 14-minute video here. So I got about 40 minutes of videos right there that I had to split up into 3, and that was really easy. YouTube actually walks you through splitting up a video that you make that is too long. 15 is the limit. I got some calc stuff in here, chain rule, simplifying applications for trig, power rule, function applications, quotient rule, product rule, inverse functions. You get yourself a like every once in a while. The great part, YouTube, I can see how many kids view it. My trig class, I better have about 35 kids viewing this thing. You didn't make a joke with them the other day. I pulled up my function applications. I'm like, guys, there should be a lot more than 5 people viewing this based on your grades or whatever the case is. And I always throw in the little joke, well, there's 35 views here. I watched it 6 times. That's only 29. I got more than 29 kids, guys. So, they enjoy the humor a little bit. Hopefully you do as well. So anyway, I got a video loading up here somewhere, right? I'm looking for that. I do not currently see it. I'm going to hit refresh. Maybe it'll pop up that it's processing. Here we go. In-service presentation. It's processing. It's not ready, but the beautiful part is I can double click on that. I can copy the link address right here. I can open up my e-board, and I can pop that link right on my e-board there wherever I want to go. So if I'm doing it for a calendar for my trig class, post edit, type in my password. Yep, 5 dots, same password as you. Here's my trig class. I'm going to add the note, type in like in service, and then type in service. Highlight that, put a link, paste my link, and boom, there's a link on my e-board for it there, and save it, and we are ready to go. So a couple quick videos there on how to make a presentation, and I'll show you more in person as the day unfolds. Hope you have a lot of questions. Thanks a lot. Bye. Have a nice day.